took our duck. Why did she take our duck?
It's just a little game we play. Used to play.
What kind of game?
It's really kind of silly, actually. I mean, whoever has sex in the weirdest place gets to keep the duck.
So how did we get the duck?
Remember that time we did it in the trolley car?
Wait a minute. We did that to get a duck?
No! No, we did it because we were newlyweds and we were madly, yeah.
Now your victory lap makes sense.
Are you mad at me?
I don't know. I sure wasn't at the time.
Don't worry. It'll never happen again. I mean, because now Jane's got the duck. And she should, you know? Because she's young, she's single, we're married, you know? I mean, our relationship is way more mature. I mean, we are more... mature.
Go put on something with snaps or velcro. We got work to do.
What are you talking about?
We're getting that duck back!